at the sound of the tone. Very clean start. See what happens in the triple. Brett going big, taking the lead. Can he hang on to it? We will find out. Got Brett, Erickson, Soliday, Jacob, Raul, Luis catching the fight, and Paul. This is the last main for these guys. This one really matters. Ayrton going on his lid. Letting John by. Somewhere I missed a pass on Brett. Brett currently in third. Ayrton flipping it again. Or no, that's Jacob. John losing it as he goes over the ski dump.
5 minutes left.
We got Ayrton and Soliday neck and neck into the straight, followed by Luis, Brett, Raul, Jacob. A little rubbing as Ayrton lands with a little bit of bounce. Both of them maintaining it though. Oh, John getting hung up on the tabletop, letting Ayrton get a little room. Soliday just enough motor to pull that off and get by Luis. We got Ayrton, John on the wrong side, letting Brett back by. Luis in fourth, Jacob in fifth, Raul in sixth.
4 minutes left.
Watch out! Watch out!
I thought we talked about just hard wiring. We got Ayrton with a little bit of the lead right now. Soliday looking like he's going to move. Oh, was going to move into second. Brett's going to take it. Oh, but they both eat it. John doing the right thing and waiting. Oh, I'm sorry. Just over 3 minutes left. Just over 3 minutes. All you gotta do, Eric, is keep it as smooth as you have been. Brett and John are battling it out. Just giving you a little more room. Ayrton, Brett, John, Raul, Jacob, Paul. Oh, Luis is in there somewhere. Oh, okay. The battle is still between second and third. Neither one is being consistent enough to leave the other.
Left.
Both coming over the triple very nicely. Brett getting the outside on John right there. See if they can both get past Luis. Brett has trouble. John was good until he decided to take his wing off. John getting hung up on Luis. Oh, and again. Minute 24. I still got some raffle tickets if anybody else would like to get in for this Triple X TCR. So we got Ayrton, Brett,
Minute left.
Solid A, Luis, Raul, Paul. 50 seconds. Luis helping Raul a little bit, I think. So Raul moves into third with that lap. 23 seconds.
Move it.
Turn it off. The switch should be.
Gotta be counted.
All right, you will be finishing across the line. Raul, John,
Car 2 is done. Car 1 is done.
Ayrton. 3 more to go. Paul,
Car 5 is done.
Brett,
Car 6 is done.
and Luis.
Car 3 is
Finishing
done.
order, Ayrton, Brett, Raul, Solid A, Paul, Luis,